Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Airline Manager Tycoon. To begin, you will first create your unique airline name and design its logo. Next, select your initial hub airport. Consider its geographical location for future expansion. Then, purchase your very first aircraft, perhaps a small regional jet, to start flying. Focus on establishing short-haul routes with high demand to generate initial revenue and build your reputation. This foundational step is crucial for your airline's long-term success and growth. Once your airline is established, strategic route planning becomes paramount. Research routes with high passenger demand and ensure your chosen aircraft have the appropriate range and capacity. For instance, a Boeing 737 is excellent for medium-haul flights, while an Airbus 380 suits long-haul, high-demand routes. Always consider fuel efficiency and maintenance costs when selecting your fleet. Optimizing departure and arrival times can significantly boost passenger satisfaction and overall profitability, maximizing your airline's operational efficiency. Effective financial management is key to sustained growth. Continuously monitor your income from ticket sales and cargo versus operational expenses like fuel and maintenance. Reinvest your profits wisely into acquiring new, more advanced aircraft and expanding your route network. Don't forget to invest in research and development to unlock new technologies, improving efficiency and passenger comfort. Also, managing staff salaries and training effectively ensures high service quality and operational reliability, contributing to your airline's overall success. For advanced play, focus on developing strong hub connections to facilitate seamless passenger transfers, significantly increasing your route network's value. Actively compete with other virtual airlines by offering competitive prices and superior service. Diversify your fleet with a mix of short, medium, and long-haul aircraft to serve various market segments. Ultimately, your goal is to achieve global reach and market dominance, becoming the most successful airline manager tycoon in the game. Strategic planning and continuous adaptation are vital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.